Welcome to AI in under 2 minutes. So this is episode 108, and we're gonna ask AI some smart questions now, and we want to know if we can clarify them as well. So in the last episode, we talked about the two modes, where you could get concrete answers or just be in the exploring mode. But now we will flip the usual pattern, and instead, we will do all the thinking. So you will teach the AI assistant to ask for clarification before it actually dives into an answer. And most bad outputs, they start actually with a very vague prompt. So you would say something with like, help me with my project, or explain this topic. So the model has to then guess what level you are at, and then how deep do you want to go, and then what the real goal actually is. But if you ask some clarifying questions first, like that would help reduce the guesswork. So you can bake some reusable prompts. For example, just start with, before you ask any sort of an answer, like, give me three short questions to understand my goal and my level and my constraints, like time or length. So once it's ready, you can reply to those questions and then let it proceed. So this small extra step, it actually makes a very big difference, because the assistant can now adjust to whether you are a beginner or advanced, and whether you would want a quick overview or like a detailed breakdown. So it would care more about your code or theory or whatever examples you want to give. And over time you can tune it into different versions, like one for learning, one for coding, one for planning, one for understanding. And in each case the pattern would actually be the same. So the model, it should narrow down the problem first. Then if it gives an answer that fits you much better than a generic response, we want that. So in the next episode, we will turn assistant into a strict reviewer. We will see how you can critique its work, and want it to rewrite everything but in your own voice. So follow for more, because we are going from a 101 to 501 all under 2 minutes.